Hey Arjun, what's the animal of the day here?
Oh, seagull.
Can you tell me more about it?
Well, they're really tricky because when pelicans catch fish, what they do is they climb on the pelican's back and then keep pecking the pelican, and then it gets so annoyed that it drops the fish and the seagull takes it.
Cool, they're pretty crafty, huh?
Yeah, and also they're everywhere. They're in every beach in the whole world.
Okay, thank you.